Hello friends, hope you guys are doing great. Let's get started with today's art. Take an highlighter and make this. After taking the scraps of the sheet, take clay balls and start placing them over the sheet and insert them inside. Make a sparrow like this with the eye and take another clay for drawing this. After drawing all this, you can see how perfect it all looks. You have to take this and start making these clay balls to be placed on it, and after making this you can simply insert the sheets and convert them into florals or these floral buds, and you are done with this. Take a clay ball and place it as being shown in this video. Now scrap the top of this clay and draw this. After taking a red color ball of this clay, you can make this cactus or this scorpio like this, and you are done with it. Now don't forget to add a star on the sheet and you are done with this art within very few easy steps. Place these clay balls on a circular sheet like this and start drawing this by following very few easy steps. Take another clay and convert it into a cylindrical form like this, and then make the circular forms too to be placed on the top of this tree, and don't forget to add beetles and clouds here. On a cardboard, you have to make this circle and columns like this. Now make a leaf, and yes, you guessed it right, we are going to make a flower out of this. Well, after making the leaves, you have to draw this on a green sheet and cut it in a specific manner. After doing that, yes, we have to place them over the sheet and these cones will be ready. After doing all this, well, we guessed it wrong. It wasn't a flower, it was a beautiful art that was made like this. Now for your next art, start placing these clay balls on the top of it, and after placing the clay balls inside it, your beautiful and unique art will be ready. Take these cones and make this, and after doing so, you have to do the toppings of this ice cream stick like this, and don't forget to add some layerings on it. Well, these ice cream cones are really delicious. Make these strips of green color and paste them on a circular sheet. After doing so, you have to make this, and as you can see how this beautiful and cute panda will look great while holding on these sugar canes. Draw this with the help of this color and then take these scrapped sheets and draw trees out of it. Well, these trees of different shades and different colors are to be placed on this sheet, and don't forget to add these drawings over here so that it can give it a perfect and complete look. Take these thin strips and start pasting them over the sheet. After doing so, you are done with this. Take these hearts of different shades and make a hearty butterfly like this. After placing these hearts, you can see how wonderfully we have completed this art. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.